Nangamalari. Aunty Munya, we get asked this question a lot, but where to buy Aboriginal or Indigenous made goods and things?
Well, there are certain gift shops and art shops that sell authentic Aboriginal products. You could also check on Google there are a number of places that do. I forget their names right now.
Oh, there's one called Yarn Marketplace, but there's so many on, like doing a good search. We often, at Evolve even, we do a list of some providers. We always try to profile different ones.
And we like to support Indigenous businesses as well.
Yeah, so you can have a look to see that they're a majority-owned Indigenous business. Often that's in the information on the website. But what's really cool lately, Auntie, is so much is becoming mainstream.
Absolutely.
I was in Kmart the other day, Big W, main lines of stuff, Bunnings.
That's great.
Most organisations, most big sort of department stores and that are carrying lines as well. So good question, but it's becoming heaps more available.
And when you find out, let us know as well.
Yeah, and buying black, good idea, good way to support and close the gap.
Yeah, in Nirigulgona.
Go well.